It's Thursday. We've got overcast skies, sun's in and out, so it'll change the way the target in the background looks periodically. Although there is a class in the bay off to my left that they'll be shooting, and there's a bunch of people in there, so there'll be a lot of gunfire pretty soon out. So that gunfire is from the class one bay over, but there's no one here in my bay. Or target one, cold gun, cold ammo, cold shooter. Okay, we've got a stronger breeze than Tuesday from about 4, 5 o'clock. And I'm not sure, it may move this 45 grouping a little to the left. It'll definitely have some wind noise. Okay, there's the first 10. Okay, let's look with the scope. I think there's 4 or 5 bad shots. The wind variation may have more effect than I thought. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and shoot the second 10. I think what it was I was letting the dot move around, and the dot got oblong. That one might have been a hair low. Okay. I think the problem is I can't hold the gun steady. All over the place. I think we're going to switch guns. I think we're going to go with the P10S. This is the P10S with a P10F magazine to keep the height above the table the same as my F and C pistols. We've got some wind, and it's a lot stronger than I initially thought. First 10, P10S. May take me a few shots to adjust this trigger. It is a wee bit heavier pull than the 97 BE. Trigger is way different. And this is the Holison sight with the circle and the dot. The dot stays round. So okay. That's what I thought. That's a little bit better. So I'm going to go ahead and shoot the second 10. First 10 looked good. Might be a little low. Still getting blown around a little. No.
Yeah. If there's nobody else, that's
Okay, I'm going to quit. I know I called a couple of them, but that's not bad considering the wind.